It is Tony from the Dog Training College. I just thought I'd do a small instructor video just to talk about Zoom and exactly how to set up a account with them, as well as the best plans to go for. So setting up a Zoom account is really simple and really easy to do. So the first thing you would do is head on to their website, which is zoom.us, and it should take you to this page. And in the top right hand corner, there should be a button that says sign up. It's free. So I would just click on that, and then it will ask you for your email address. So you can either type in your email address and do it via email, but you also have two options down here which will allow you to sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook as well. And it's really simple to do. It would just send a link to your email address and then you could set up a password. So once you do have an account, all you do is click sign in. It will take you to your sign in page and just sign in as normal, and it will take you to your profile page, which looks like this. So that's how easy it is just to set up a Zoom account. And then if you head over to the page here called plans and pricing, it will bring up 4 different plans for you to pick. So it depends on how you wanting to use Zoom, will depend on what plan you want to go for. They offer the free plan, the pro plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. What I would recommend using is the basic plan, because Zoom actually does offer quite a few good features, all from the free account itself. So you can try Zoom for as long as you like with the free plan. There is no trial period either. The only thing to be conscious about is it does have a 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 or more total participants. But what that means is that they are just standard meetings. So they would be if you had a 30-minute one-to-one with a client, that's when you would use a Zoom meeting. If you wanted to do webinars, webinars are a bit different, and I'll show you that now. So if you just scroll down on that page, it should take you to the webinars and events. And with the video webinars, they do start from £32 a month for 100 attendees. But this is how we use the live streaming on our instructor days, as well as if you've actually attended any other webinars as well. So I would definitely recommend going on the free plan through Zoom for your meetings, and then just upgrading your package to the webinars, so you also have that add-on as well. So if you click on learn more, it should take you to this page, and it will give you a few different information about Zoom webinars, such as what they include, and they do include quite a lot of different features, such as one of the biggest ones we use it for is the on-demand viewing. So you can record all of your videos and webinars, and it will automatically generate transcripts as well. So we found that quite helpful as a company. You do have the options to mute and unmute participants as well as attendees, and you can also actually give them access to raise their hand as well. So if you wanted to have that interactive side, you could get people to raise their hand, and then you would just allow them to talk, and then they could have that interactive conversation with you, even if it is on the webinar basis. You also have access to live broadcasting as well. So with live broadcasting, you can broadcast to 3 different places. You can broadcast as a Facebook Live, you can broadcast as a YouTube Live, and if you use different services such as Twitch, you can also live stream to them using a API code as well. But if you do use a different third-party software, I'm sure they have documentation on how to do that. So it's best just to have a look on their website. And you can have up to 100 live video participants who can use their webcam and interact with the audience as well. So to add on this plan, it's really simple. You would just click buy now, and it would show you the different plans. So all you would do is click on the webinar and click add, and that would allow you to add it on. And hopefully that should sort of explain everything there. But if you do have any questions on how to set up your account or how to get a plan with Zoom, just type it in the comments below and we will answer them for you. Hope this video helps.